lang, dali lang. Baho na siya kahoy, so murag di na to sushi bake. Stress ko. Don't try this at home. So hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Medyo Cooking Show. So today, magluto ko og samgyeopsal sushi bake with a twist. Mag-blindfold ko. Oh no! Okay. How many fingers? 5! Ah, wala. Kabalo. Di ba? 4 man siya. Kailangan ako ang samgyeopsal. Diyan. Okay. Huwag naman siya. So, mauni siya. Wait, tansya lang. Up. Okay na kaya ni? Tumong ni? Forward. Paata, paani? Paana. Oh, ayun. I can feel it. Kiwi ang baboy?
Forward. Slowly down.
Thank you. Pag samgyeopsal, gusto na ko, medyo crispy siya gamay, pero dili siya uga. Kapuin mo ng ugatanan. Wow! Ay, salamat humanata sa luto. The most important part of the sushi bake is the sushi bake. Ingredients na gamito na to karon is, of course, kaning samgyeopsal, sushi rice, nori or seaweed, ebiko, Japanese mayo, spring onion, and of course, katsuboshi, fish flakes. Dali lang kayo sa ino, ang problema karon asa siya nakabutang. Going back to our bowl. Bowl siya dyan. Okay, I need my sushi rice.
Forward, right, then.
Kani, okay. Muna siya. So, we're gonna put sushi rice sa bowl.
Yes.
Tama? Okay. So, next up, it's gonna be our Japanese mayo. Eh, nako. Balik na po.
Left. Yan.
Japanese mayo. Yun. You just spread it like this, no? Okay. So, para ma-coat to siya evenly, buta na to ang... Tama ba? So, mozzarella cheese. So, itap na to siya. Oh my God. Suta niyo, eh. Next thing to do is torch it. If you don't have a torch, you could use a toaster or oven, no? Let's start. Kasi... center ni sa bowl?
Yes.
Okay.
Left na down. There. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Alas 2. 5 o'clock.
Baho na siya kahoy, so murag di na to sushi bake. Na-stress ko.
Actually, okay with you.
Dakan pag samgyeopsal.
Yes. Ana. Slowly down.
Layo good kayo. It's time to remove my mask and tanaw na to kung sa'y kalat akong gibuhat. Hello, in fairness!
Good shit.
So now I have a special guest na maupod siya ang nagtabang sa kuha to make this while I'm blindfolded. So here we have Jan Ocampo from the President. Kuha ka gamay. Yeah, kalang masakto ra sa imong bowl pod. Kana, isa ka deep scoop kana. Oh, yun. Yun oh. Okay. Alright, na. Then twist mo. Kalat.
Lamig proper, miss.
So guys, thank you for watching this episode. If namoy gusto na iluto na ko blindfolded next time, just comment down below and among itry na buhatan. Okay? Thank you!